Assalamu alaikum, my name is Wardah Shahzad and today I will be presenting our website project. The website we developed is an FMCG e-commerce website. Its main aim is to make online shopping easier for customers by allowing them to browse products, explore categories, place order, and contact the company conveniently. We focused on creating a website that is simple, attractive, and easy to use. So before discussing the pages, I would like to explain how we build the website. We use a drag and drop website builder to create the layout. We first design different sections such as header, banners, categories, and footer. After that, we added different elements by dragging them from this sidebar and placing them where we needed them. For example, we added image in the banner section using this image widget. We inserted text box for headings and description. We use a button for function like add to cart and read more. Product section were added to display items on the home page. All the sections were organized by dragging and arranging them in the correct order. Now I will explain the home page. At the top of the page, we design the header section containing company's logo, search bar, navigation menu, and shop cart icon. Here is the shop cart icon. So the navigation menu includes home, about us, new arrivals, order and shipping policy, and contact us. And this menu helps a visitor move between pages quickly and conveniently. So below the header, we place a large banner image. We created this section by inserting the image block and uploading on FMCG product image. This purpose of the banner is to grab visitors' attention and showcase the products available on the website. The next section is the next section is the brand section. For this area, we use image container to display brand logos such as Vim, Vicks, Speed, Vaseline, Surf, Pampers, Revlon. So these help customer easily recognize a brand offered on our website. After that, we created popular categories section using icons from here. From here, we icons and text label we can search from here, and then we use the section of icons and text labels. The categories included stationery, chocolate, personal care, male care, female care. These categories help customers find products more quickly according to their preferences. Now the featured products. Next is the featured product section. We use product card to display different items. Each card contain product image, product name, product price, and add to cart option. For example, gloves, mouthwash, blankets. So the customers can click add to cart button and the selected product is added to their shopping cart. So new arrival. Now I will explain the new arrival page. For this page, we added the promotional image featuring recently introduced product. The purpose of this image is to highlight the latest item available in the store so customers can easily view new additions. About us page. Next is the about us page. To design this page, we use text and image section. The page provides information about company's background, services, business mission, and product offer. So this section helps customer learn more about the company and understand what we do. Order and shipping policy. Now I will discuss the order and shipping policy page. For this page, we added a form using drag and drop field, including the first name, last name, address, cell number, email address, and submit button. This form collects customer details required for order processing and shipping purpose. Contact us page. Next is the contact us page. This page contains company's address, phone number, email address, and the email address of the company. So this contact form was created by arranging input fields in rows. Customers can enter their details, write a message, and send their queries directly to the company. So this is the bottom of the page. We added the footer section at every bottom of the page. So we designed it using multiple columns containing about the store, our service, information link, and the social media icons. These footer allow users to quickly access important information from anywhere on the website. So the technologies that we used to develop this website was HTML for the website structure, CSS for styling and design, JavaScript for interactive features, database for storing products and customer information, and Bootstrap for responsiveness. So these technologies helped us create a professional, responsive, and user-friendly website. Thank you.